Welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We want to show you how you can make yourself a lovely traditional Caribbean rice and peas. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments, and get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon. See you next time, guys. We love you. Leave your comments and enjoy the recipe. Next time, we will give you the real authentic Jamaican recipe. Every day, every time, and all the time. So guys, this is a traditional Jamaican rice and peas, the best of the best. Hopefully it will be a benefit for you and your family. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So right inside of this big bowl, I got 5 cans of red kidney bean. I'm using the can one, guys. You can do so, use the can one. Right over here I have 2 cans of coconut cream milk right here, guys, which we're gonna use inside of it. Right over here we have fresh thyme, white onion, spring onion, and some garlic and a Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna make here the true tradition Caribbean way of making rice and peas today. You're gonna love it. Leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and we have a lot of things going on at the moment, guys. So this is a big pot of rice and peas, but basically you can use 1 kidney bean, 1 tin of kidney bean, and 1/4 cups of coconut milk and some spring onion and white onion, and make your little bit of pot on rice and peas at home, guys. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We have it and we're gonna make it for you today. See you next time. Nice and lovely. So right inside of this pot I have 1/4 pots of water inside of it. Basically, as you can see, just 1/4 pots of water, and I just use some cold water. Now I'm gonna simply pop in the peas, just like that. And next, seasoning: spring onion, white onion, garlic, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using 1/2 of a white onion, 2 cans of coconut milk, and a spoon of butter, just to give it some flavor. So what we're gonna do, basically, we're gonna leave this for it to cook for roughly about 3 to 4, roughly say 20 minutes, until it boil up and cook. Cover it back and leave it for it to go and simmer in the meantime and cook in the meantime. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys, as you can see right here. Look. Oh, whoa, it's boiled down to a lot. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. But remember, we put all of the ingredients so far inside of it except one thing: salt. We're gonna put a tablespoon of salt inside of it. Lovely and nice. Give it a stir like this. Simple. Taste it. That is beautiful. Look at the thickness of it. We're gonna wash some rice and put it inside of it now and get things cracking out. So let's get some rice wash. Yes, so what we're gonna do now, I just washed some rice. If you're at home and you're cooking rice for yourself and rice and peas, I'm gonna give you an idea. 1 cup of rice give you 1.5 cups of water to cook. Some people say 1 cup of water, some people say 1 cup of rice. No, 1.5 cups of water cook 8 cups of rice. And I'm doing a lot of rice at the moment. So guys, I'm just showing you how you can make it at home. This is just tips and ways. Now I'm gonna pour in straight my rice. As you can see, that's a lot of rice, guys. Roughly almost, to be honest, it is probably about 4 kilos of rice I'm cooking at the moment. But as you can see, when you're cooking rice, the secret behind it, don't make too much water inside of your pot. You see, I don't need to add any more water, and I don't need to take out any more water. So as you can see, look, you can see the rice. See? Lovely. So basically, I'm gonna make this cook now for another good 20 minutes on a medium-sized heat. turn on your stove a little bit low and leave it for it to cook, guys. As you can see, look at that. That is just really beautiful and really nice. So, and this is basmati rice. Very easy to cook. You don't need to add a lot of water to it, guys. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. I'm gonna taste it again to see how it tastes. That is beautiful. You don't need anything inside of it more than one thing. What I do is take out the bad boy. This is the bad boy. Scotch bonnet pepper. Nice one. So leave it and make it cook. I'm not gonna add any more ingredients to that. That is perfectly fine. Nice and lovely, guys. Look at right over here, guys. I want to say the rice and peas is finished. You know what I mean? I give it 30 minutes inside of the pot, and look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, really nice, lovely, and you can see the color of it just looking so fantastic, guys. As you can see, the rice and peas. All I need to do is just give it 30 more minutes inside of the pot and leave it until it finish cook. As you can see, man, the rice and peas smell nice in the place. Really good, really nice. So just give it a nice good 30 minutes. Leave it until it's finished. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. See you next time. Bye bye.